Do you want to boost your productivity in university or college? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are my top 5 must-have productivity apps for university or college. They make my life easy, stress-free, and more organized. Trust me, I've been using these apps for years now, and my grades have never been higher.
1 a.m. eyes closed, I'm slowly falling.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share my secret weapon apps for productivity. The first one is called Microsoft To Do. It's basically a to-do list app. I've been using this app since high school and I love it. It's simple to use and most importantly, it's free. Are you a list type of person who constantly needs a physical reminder of tasks to accomplish by the end of the day? Otherwise, you'll forget or get distracted? Honestly, that's me. In the To-Do app, it's as simple as hitting the plus sign and just adding lists. Once you finish that task, you can literally check it off. You can make grocery lists, you can make homework lists, you can do all types of lists. That's what I use it for and so useful. Next app is Notion, and I'm sure you've heard of this app. It's number one when it comes to organization, design, and productivity. The way it applies to university and college students is you can make a assignments calendar using templates. I'll link in the description below a video by sᴜභsᴄʀɪévᴇ. Download her templates and then start customizing. Add in every test date, every exam date, every lab date, every assignment due date, deadlines, everything deadlines into this calendar. And then I just have this long running list of everything I need to do by the end of the term, and I cannot make excuses and I don't miss deadlines, and I basically am punctual and ready and organized and know what's coming up. I find this helps me keep track of everything in sequential order and reduces headaches and prevents me from feeling too overwhelmed. Last thing I'll mention is you can also make a really cute home page dashboard screen. The third app is kind of a math app. It's called Desmos. If you're a math or computer science major, you are going to need this app. Desmos is a graphing calculator app and can help tremendously with understanding concepts, especially those in calculus, like derivatives and antiderivatives and just all of that. You can graph them here. Polar, parametric, everything you can graph here. I highly recommend this app because it's free, completely free, no memberships, no ads, nothing. And you can graph multiple functions, trig functions, exponential functions, inverse functions, and even their derivatives. You can even find intersection points and asymptotes and so much more that I'm not mentioning. We're just scratching the bare surface, but go check it out if you are a math major. Subscribe. Fourth app is called Quizlet. A huge advocate for this app. You may know that because I link it and talk about it in every video of mine. It's literally what got me through high school. Again, it's free. Once you make an account, you can start making your very own flashcards. It's basically a flashcard app where you can make digital flashcards. But you can also, there's other features for like testing, matching, but I love making my own for studying because just typing it out is also like imprinting something in my brain here to help me remember. Meanwhile, if you just download them from other people, first, they might be doing a completely different curriculum from a different country, so it may not apply completely 100% to you, but also, I just love, taking that time to type it out because it does help me up here to remember, which also helps me study. You can literally search up your university or college here, and a ton of different courses from that institution will pop up, and then from there, different courses and stuff like that. I know for me, the way I study is through memorizing patterns, concepts, and equations for math. So I've used this tool for things like calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. I find that's best. Or for concepts or really heavy courses like anthropology or psychology, criminology, sociology, all the ologies, where there's a lot of multiple choice stuff and those kinds of things. It's good for matching, which is like a flashcard. The fifth and final app is kind of straightforward. It's Mail. You already have this by default. Chances are that if you go to a university or college, you have access to a school email, a webmail that is just for you, which is monitored by the institution, so don't do anything sus. But it's basically used for everything school related. emailing your professors, emailing peers, group projects, reaching out if you're doing research, stuff like that. You may have tried to link it to your mail app, but it didn't work, right? Well, here's how you actually do that. If what I'm about to say still doesn't work for you, 1, go check it out with your IT person at your institution, or 2, you can just make a webmail bookmark and add it to your home screen. But here we go. First, open and sign into your webmail in Safari. Then tap the share button and then add it to your home screen. And literally, voila, you did it. There's your app. It's really a bookmark to something in Safari, but you can just click that to go straight there. Well, there you have it. My top 5 productivity apps: To-Do, Notion, Desmos, Quizlet, and Mail. If you download and incorporate these apps into your daily routine, then you are sure to get that A+. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you later.